This is a review of our trades for Wednesday, February the 15th, trading the SP 500 futures contract, the E-mini, the symbol ES. We start off very early in the session with support at 53 and a quarter, 53 area. And it's very well defined until we come down to around 8:15, which we start to penetrate through it. And once we do that, once we make a convincing argument that this area has been compromised, I look for trades for further penetration of the area, which we did get. Approximately here at 9:15 Eastern, got short 2 contracts with the idea of taking 1 contract off if we were to get down and revisit the lows of the session, which we did. Executed the 1 contract off, and we had a target for the area around 48, which we did execute on that 2nd contract. Our overall target was further down to support, which the market eventually did get to. But for the purpose of this trade, we map out both long-term and short-term profit objectives, and so we did come out with a nice profit for the day. And it was later on that finally, around 12 noon midday, after we finished trading for the day, that we did come up. But it does show that our approach is very much intact, and that is it came up to the area of interest that we map onto the screen every day. And basically the S&P traded up to it, reversed at it, and really fell down at that point, decreasing in value all the way down to the next support area, in which it did sort of find its way finally through it. Penetrated through it, and in fact presented another entry down here again after the period of time in which we trade for the day. But really the approach is the same, and that is once we are able to penetrate one of our significant areas, we look for a revisit back up to it to get short from. And let's see, if we continue onward here, the market continues to go down. And it actually reaches the next support area. So just the 1 trade for the day during the time in which we trade, which is during the morning session.